Hello, I'm Bill Gates. In this video, you're going to see the future.
This is a
When we use a flush toilet at home, many of us do not think of it as a luxury or a privileged experience. Yet, more than half of the world's population does not have access to safe and sanitary toilets. Since sewerage sanitation requires a lot of embedded infrastructure to support it, many nations cannot afford to properly treat human waste, which, in turn, becomes a source of pollution, inflicting numerous amounts of people with preventable diseases, causing suffering and impacting human dignity. That is why we create, for a safe tomorrow for you and us, the Reinvented Toilet. The Samsung Advanced Institute of Technology and JSTEC have collaborated in the development of this product. The first 10-person V1 RT prototype developed by Samsung Advanced Institute of Technology was delivered to JSTEC in December 2020, where further tests and developments were carried out for the new versions. We continued the development and testing of the Reinvented Toilet using synthetic human feces and urine. The datasets procured from these tests were taken for the V2, a new model, to test the treatment of real human waste. The testing of the V2 provided additional improvement to the system. This model has been in operation since June 2021. Currently, JSTEC's V2 is the only RT used in the field for more than half a year. The V3 was built to reduce the size, weight, and energy consumption of the original versions and be more compatible for use and installation in developing countries. Along with the V2, the two V3 units are also being tested with real human feces, and they have been in operation since October 2021. By comparing the performance of the two models, the strengths and weaknesses of each model are being identified and evaluated. To further improve the performance of RT and their size, weight, and energy consumption, a 5-person RT prototype V4 was developed based on the user feedback from the V2 and V3 models. The latest design changes have also been incorporated into the V4, and it is now undergoing user testing in relation to the safety and performance requirements in ISO 30500. As excrement is put into the toilet, user presses the flush button to let flushing water flow into the toilet bowl. The liquids and solids are separated in the toilet bowl, and then the solids are transferred to the grinding chamber and the buffer tank located under the toilet. The ground waste is pumped into the anaerobic digester tank to be bioprocessed. Here in the anaerobic, microorganisms digest them. Then the treated solids are transferred to the hopper tank. After the process of dehydration and drying, the waste is then incinerated, discharged as ashes. As this happens, what processes are the liquids going through? The separated liquid is collected in the buffer tank first, and then transferred to a bioreactor where the waste is treated by microorganisms by continuous anaerobic and aerobic processes. Finally, the treated solution is moved to a precipitation tank. While the microbial sludge that is settled at the bottom of the precipitation tank is transferred to the hopper tank, to join the solid treatment process, the purified liquid is transferred to the disinfection tank for the sterilization process using ozone and UV. Finally, the sterilized liquid is recycled and used as flushing water. Through RT's treatment processes, the outputs are made safe for human and environmental health. Foul odor is eliminated, and the water can be reused for flushing a number of times. Just as the microorganisms in 1 micrometer shake up our lives, we believe that a safe and sanitary toilet at each home can change the world. Thus, we strive and are motivated to overcome countless challenges to develop and deliver a new, revolutionary toilet that can safely treat human waste on-site. If we can do that, we can help billions of people live a healthier and more productive life. The Reinvented Toilet, It will save many lives and create a new world and future. J's Tech.